Today I'm going to carry on with doing a little bit more maintenance on my pressure washer, and it's going to be on using some synthetic grease to lubricate the O-rings as well as the fittings. There's going to be 6 in total, 2 on the actual spray gun, 2 on the high pressure hose, and 2 on the backside of the actual pressure washer unit. This maintenance is recommended every time you put in a new O-ring. It's also recommended every time you hook up the couplings. I think that's probably a little excessive. However, doing it fairly frequently will help you get the fittings on properly, and it'll help prevent leaks from the actual fittings while you're using the pressure washer unit. So as mentioned, all that you need to do is get either a synthetic or petroleum-based grease, some paper towel, and some Q-tips, and apply it to all the gaskets. So first thing we're going to do is apply a small amount of grease to the threads on the gun, and also get a little bit on the O-ring housing where it seats into the gun itself. Once that's done, we'll put the O-ring back into the gun. On the back side of the gun, there's also another O-ring. A little bit deeper down, we're going to lubricate that as well. You can see there's been some hard water buildup on the threads of the gun, so I'm actually going to take this opportunity to apply a small amount of grease to the threads and just clean those up a little bit so that they don't continue to get corroded and covered in calcium and other deposits. Now that the gun and extension are done, we're going to carry on with the high pressure hose, getting both ends with the grease as well. Alright, now that the hose is done, the last thing to do is the high pressure and low pressure water connections for the pump. So that's all there is to it. It only takes a couple minutes. Getting a little bit of grease on the O-rings will help extend the life of the O-ring, as well as preventing leaks from the various fittings, and getting a little bit of grease on the actual threads will make installing and uninstalling the hose fittings much easier. Thanks for watching.